was that about?
Kind of stole the party. Ferdinand.
It looks pretty disgusting to me.
Okay, let's go.
No way.
We get the Mario photo. Should we get the photo?
Getting it
The
on
Mario
Instagram.
Come on! Oh! Oh! Yeah! Holy shit, you made it to the thousands. I won! What happened? Why is that off?
I'll get better as I keep going.
Oh, you get it! Don't shoot the cowl!
I did it. I didn't miss them all.
This game sucks! Shoot it!
My hand flashed.
Shoot the cow!
Shot him between the cows.
What is that?
What? I got 3!
That's a pretty big score.
Okay, your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
Oh shit, hold that. I had a trade!
Oh! Yeah! He shot a cow! Take your camera, bitch.
Shoot a cow. I'm not ready. Cow! Oh my god, it's dead. Kill the fox! How many shots does it take to kill a moose? You got wombo! You got wombo!
Awkward bonus.
Giving me the wisdom eye.
What?
Homemade is giving me the wisdom eye.
What does that mean? Bowling?
The last time I did bowling was like 12 years ago.
But like, that's when bowling was like high. There's no one playing bowling!
I saw a bowling ball go down the
There's
bowling
some
ball.
I got a leg on my legs! No, why did you do this, Toby?
Do it.
Toby!
He wanted to.
Go down! Just pick one. You're not gonna get any. What? How many are you gonna get? It's just gonna add nothing. No! Oh, you got 2! It's gonna fall off when I get to the top. Yeah!
Watch it drop the other. No, okay.
It just won't move anything. Oh!
They were like 22. They were all piled up like this, and we were like, yeah, let's do it. And 2 rounds later, it all just crashed, and we got so many. It's one of the best days ever. You get no more. I reckon if we did it again, we'd get it. It's gone.
It's all gone?
Yeah, all those
It's so bright. Ah!
We have like 5 minutes to go to the thing. So please
Bounce.
Very good.
You can do it, buddy. You can do it. Look, there's 2 balls.
No, I got 2.
There's 2 nuggets.
Let's go to laser tag, please.
Over.
Let's go.
look how far we walked.
Yeah. But damn. Look at that snail trail. Someone big snail.
What are you doing?
On the rocks. What did you say?
I say, what are you doing?
Trying
the
to create
rocks.
the world of Kennedy.
Of who? Kennedy.
JFK.
you're ridding the world of Kennedy.
John Fortnite.
John Fortnite Kennedy.
John Fortnite can
I was thinking about it so
What are
much.
we pointing at?
The big net of like orange stuff.
No, that's mine! Right. Want a Sprite?
Sprite. That was Sprite. Yeah, that's it. What a
You
sound.
know, Larry,
If I need your body, I'll fucking
What?
have you seen that?
No.
Cyberpunk 2077, but it's public lips every time you
Uh-huh.
become like,
It's like,
in Night City, you can become damage welcome.
and then it just has like,
There's a clip of memory thing. Okay. Fine. And when Jackson just at the swimming carnival on the big ass stairs, he just kneeled down and slowly raised his fist into my balls and I did nothing about it.
it was really funny. He like picked you up
Yeah, he lifted me off the ground with the punch.
by the balls.
Straight to the balls.
Ready? Get it.